Hi everyone. The next version of the BMW 4 Series Convertible has been officially revealed. As you can see in BMW's pictures, it features the same huge kidney grille as the recently revealed M3 and M4 models as well as the normal M4 Coupe. The most notable feature of the new BMW 4 Series Convertible is the huge grille, which has been a divisive design feature on other BMW models it's used on. The front end also features LED lights, laser lights are optional, and a long, creased bonnet. At the rear it's more traditional, with a familiar rear end from other BMW models. There's a set of sleek taillights that spread out into the boot lid. Of course, this being the convertible model, there's also the soft top roof. The only other drop-top BMW currently sells is the Z4, but that's a two-seater with limited mass appeal. The 4 Series Convertible is different in both size and overall approach. It can fit up to 4 passengers and offers a more comfortable daily driving experience than the track-focused Roadster. Above all, BMW promises the new 4 Series Convertible offers improved handling and more cargo space than before. It also weighs less thanks to greater use of lightweight build materials. But perhaps the biggest change is the roof itself. The hardtop has been replaced with a soft top. Will this satisfy buyers? Chances are it will because BMW is known for responding to customer requests. Like its 4 Series Coupe siblings, BMW designers set out to give the convertible a more striking exterior design that also improves overall aerodynamics. But it's the much maligned kidney grille that people will notice first. Extending all the way to the bottom of the front bumper, the new grille features a three-dimensional mesh structure while 2 large air intakes flank the front bumper. Standard LED headlights housing U-shaped daytime running lights complete the more aggressive front-end appearance. At the rear, L-shaped LED taillights and vertical apertures at each side of the bumper complement the front intakes. Opting for the M Sport package adds a unique rear bumper and side window moldings finished in high-gloss black. The also optional Shadowline package tacks on a high-gloss black finish to the front grille and exhaust tip trim. Compared to its predecessor, the new convertible is 5.2 inches longer, 1.0 inches wider, and 0.1 inch higher. Its wheelbase has also increased in size by 1.6 inches while the front track is 1.5 inches wider. The cockpit is exactly the same as that of the 4 Series Coupe and 3 Series sedan. An 8.8-inch central touchscreen display is standard while a 12.3-inch digital driver's display is optional. Opting for the Live Cockpit Professional increases the touchscreen to 10.25 inches. The iDrive 7 infotainment system is also standard as are Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, navigation, and BMW's intelligent personal assistant. Open-pore wood oak grain trim is also standard while aluminum trim is standard for the higher trim M440i and M440i xDrive. All trims can be optioned with additional wood trims and aluminum with a mesh effect. And, of course, there's the matter of the roof. The new soft top is about 40% lighter than the old hardtop and frees up 0.2 inches of headroom. It also has multiple insulation layers and a flush-fitting glass window. Opening and closing happens at the push of a button and takes just 18 seconds at speeds up to 31 miles per hour. The rear seats, while small, can accommodate 2 adults. Cargo capacity increases by 1.2 cubic feet for a total of 9 cubic feet. A standard rear seat pass-through and wind deflector are standard. Under the hood lies the same engine lineup found in the 4 Series Coupe. The 430i and 430i xDrive have a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with 255 horsepower and 295 pounds-to-foot of torque while the M440i and M440i xDrive come with a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 with 382 horsepower and 369 pounds-to-foot. All variants make use of an 8-speed automatic transmission, with the M440i benefiting from a new sprint function that activates the sport settings for the throttle response, exhaust note, and gear shifts. The M440i also gets a 48-volt mild hybrid system that provides energy recuperation and storage. Slicing off any coupe's roof typically reduces structural rigidity. To help counter this, engineers reinforced the transmission tunnel and added a rigid rear floor plate at the rear. This results in a static torsional rigidity increase of 4% compared to the outgoing model. The suspension has also been beefed up with additional bracing such as connecting the front shock towers to the bulkhead. The optional M Sport suspension provides an even more thrilling driving experience. Shaving weight was also a priority. The hood, front fenders, and doors are made from aluminum, saving 44 pounds from the front end alone. The BMW 4 Series Convertible's cabin is similar to the normal 4 Series, with its digital dials and large infotainment screen on the dashboard. The leather sports seats are heated in the front, and the rear set is designed for 2 passengers. The M Sport trim is the entry-level car, which means all versions get sporty suspension, 18-inch alloy wheels, sat-nav, electric seats, a reversing camera and 3-zone climate control. If that's not enough, you can upgrade to the M Sport Pro Edition, which gets 19-inch alloy wheels, different headlights, adaptive dampers in the suspension and a sportier exhaust note via electronic enhancement rather than a sports exhaust. Safety kit available on the BMW 4 Series Convertible includes lane keep assist with steering functionality, lane departure warning, a reversing camera and autonomous emergency braking, AEB. The BMW 4 Series Convertible has 385 liters of boot space when the roof is up, but this reduces down to 300 liters when it's folded away. That's still a reasonable amount of space for a convertible car. The BMW 4 Series Convertible is a 4-seater, but has 2 doors, so getting in the back will require a bit of clambering. An 8-speed automatic is standard on every BMW 4 Series Convertible, but there's quite a wide range of engines to pick from. There are 3 petrols and 3 diesels, some coming with mild hybrid technology. The 440i is the cheapest model, and uses a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder petrol with 184 horsepower. 0 to 62 miles per hour takes 8.2 seconds, and it should manage around 46 miles per gallon. The diesel equivalent of this engine is the 420d, which is also a 2.0-liter unit with similar power, but it's a bit quicker from 0 to 62 miles per hour. It takes 7.6 seconds, and more economical, over 62 miles per gallon. Next up is the 430i model, which is also a 4-cylinder engine, but it has 258 horsepower, which enables a 0 to 62 miles per hour sprint in 6.2 seconds. It will do around 44 miles per gallon according to official tests. There's an equivalent 286 horsepower 430d which goes from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 5.9 seconds and will do 50 miles per gallon, but it's not out until July 2021. The 2021 BMW 4 Series Convertible will have a starting price of $53,100. Adding the xDrive all-wheel drive system brings the price up to at least $55,100. Meanwhile, the more powerful M440i and M440i xDrive begin at $64,000 and $66,000, respectively. The RWD models will go on sale in March, while the AWD xDrive versions will become available in July. Thanks for watching.